my channel. I'm Keisha with Country Garden Oasis. Thank you for joining. Please remember to like and subscribe. Today we are starting some seeds in March. I'm excited to go through that with you. I'm going to plant these seeds up and then I'm going to show you my DIY seed rack that I created with lights and everything. I want to show you guys how simple it could be to create that and much more affordable, more importantly, than even... Okay, let's get some dirt into the pan because that's why we are doing this. We're using our seed starting mix, organic by Espoma. Get our hands dirty. I am doing 200 cells today. So I'm doing 5 packs of 40. I'm using these. And let me show you tell you what's...
Hi guys.
I have a helper today.
Yes, and it's going to be cut out of the video probably.
I'm not going to cut it out. Okay. I promise.
Promise? Okay.
Peppers. I'm trying to group them together. Peppers.
She was thinking of doing some other things.
Tomatoes.
Sweet peppers.
Tomatoes.
Tomato or tomatoes, mother?
Tomato. What does it matter?
But what do you call it? Oh, by the way, what do you call tomatoes? Tomato or tomato? Put it in the comment section. I just put this.
He just wants to be on camera. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
All right, so today I'm starting cabbage. And in March, it's good to start your cabbages. So I'm doing red cabbage, green cabbage, and I'm also doing Chinese cabbage, which I'm doing for the very first time. So I'm super excited about that. I'm also starting my tomatoes as well. Torgina, Equinox, Sweet 100.
Hey, what?
I'm starting my peppers. Purple Beauty, which is a sweet pepper. Escamillo, which I'm excited about. It's like a bright yellow pepper, which is like the Carmen pepper.
Ooh.
JD, which is my jalapeno peppers. I said jalapeno poppers. I meant jalapeno. Carmen peppers and purple cayenne and these hot paper lantern.
Wow.
Some bunching onions and Brussels sprouts, broccoli, bok choy, and broccoli. The seed I'm most excited about. I am starting red Roselle. It kind of has many names. There's red Roselle, there's hibiscus, and Jamaican sorrel. So my family loves this. If you're from the Caribbean, you can relate. We use this to make a drink, and it's fantastic. But I hear it takes very long, so I'm starting the seeds from now, and hopefully by September, I'll have some Roselles so I can pick, or sorrel as we call it. Right.
You said not too much?
Yeah, I said it's not too much yet. There's some more water. No, put it in there. No, not yet. Right, there was some chunks in there.
So I was talking about, I was trying to get the chips out. Chunks. Oh, you just passed out. That's what we do. No one's watching, right? I can't see how messy you're doing this.
You hold it.
Why does this look like there's going to be an earthworm just comes out?
Not yet, but you want earthworm.
Mom! You almost broke it. I like gardening now.
You do?
Usually we just block you, but now actually I don't like it.
Really?
It includes getting messy and being beautiful. Beautiful, pretty pigs. so start out dirty. Where do I put the pat? Jalapeno.
So we need some soil. There's no more of this. We need to cover it.
Okay, let's go get. That's why we don't waste our soil with all. We don't waste our soil when we're done with all of these. We put more in.
Because we set it so we can cover it 1/4 inch. I have a helper. He's kind of good too.
Yeah. I'll put it in my thought.
Be careful. Don't spread it. Okay. Dislodge it. Good job. You're taking all the big sticks out.
When Dad comes back, he's gonna be like, "You're gardening?"
After you tease me so much. Alright, I think this is all set. We'll get the watering can.
It's right there.
Not that one.
What?
The one in my office.
Oh, okay.
The automatic one. All of them, just sprinkle it. Just remember, these are tiny little cells. So it will help with maintaining the moisture. Put this over there.
What the other ones? Can we put it on now?
Yeah.
What are they?
Oh. Just lightly.
Remember saying.
So I'm gonna water them in.
Huh?
You wanna do that one?
Actually, we're gonna compare them with this.
Okay, so I finished planting my seeds, and I wanted to give you a close-up of my seed starting rack. You can purchase one of these online or in the store, and they're very pricey. I found them to be very expensive, $400, $500, $600, even $900. So what I did was I did some research on YouTube, and I decided to create my own. And since I work from home, I decided to put it inside my office. So starting from the very top, let me get a little closer in here. So this is a metal rack. They call it a baker's rack from Amazon. I found it on Home Depot as well, but Amazon had a better price, so I went for the one on Amazon. And then I built the rack out, and as you know, they need grow lights. Plants need grow lights. As you can see, my onions that I planted the other day are doing really well. They need grow lights, and they need a Kelvin of scale of 6500. I haven't quite understood the light concept. I know what the minimum is, and it said 6500. So I went to Amazon and I found these shop lights. And I see a lot of YouTubers that use them. And what I did was I bought them, and they come with these extensions, these connectors, and my husband connected them together. I could throw a picture up to connect each one. So I have two lights. This is a 36-inch shelf, and I have two lights per shelf. But as you get close to the bottom, you're gonna see down here I have a mishmash of stuff. I have my amaryllis bulbs that are done blooming, but I need to plant them outside, but they still have quite a bit of green on it, and I'm trying to grow ginger. We'll see how that goes. And I have two other avocado seeds that I'm sprouting in water. What can this rack hold? Right now I have 40 cell trays on there, and I realistically can hold 4 of these trays per shelf. If I twist one of them this way, it works. I have enough space. So if we're talking about, it's quite a bit. It's well over 500 cells I can do. So it's pretty efficient. It's small, compact, but it packs quite the punch. And then down here I have my lemon tree that's over here wintering over as well. So it's my little plant oasis. Here we go. My alocasia. So there we have it. Pretty easy to set up. Follow the instructions for the rack. You get your lights, and oh, I almost forgot. You have these cool chains that I bought on Amazon. I think it was like $10 a pack, so that I can adjust the light as my plants grow. And the other thing about the lights that's cool, I control the lights from my phone. I have a Casa Switch app that I have on my phone, and I could turn the lights on and off. And as a matter of fact, I set them on a timer because they need 16 hours of sunlight. So I set it on a timer for 16 hours. So that's why my onions are doing so well over there. But funny enough, I remember when I did the onions, I did 2 different types. The back to roots did not look, it doesn't seem like they're doing that great. But the burpees are going bananas. Let me see if I can. When I was doing the onions, I did burpee and I did back to roots. And over here are my back to roots, and it looks very scanty, but look at how the burpee onions are doing. They're doing fantastic. They're tall. They're just filling out. I have a better germination rate over here than I do over here. I have like onesie twosie over there, but time will tell. We will see after we plant it out and see how it does. And over here I have my Roselle, which I have on a heat mat. And also I have all my peppers. And below I have more tomatoes and peppers. And I have these domes, the humidity domes. It did wonders for my onions. And it really helped with the germination. So I want to see how it does with the heat mat and the germination as well. So I'm gonna follow that and see how it all does. Thank you so much again for watching. Until next time, see you soon. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.